Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification button. Happy watching!
Hi everyone, I'm Vinca. Today I'm going to show you how to cook the Indonesian yellow rice or Indonesian Nasi Kuning in the healthier way. I'm going to cook the rice using the Thermomix and blend the rempah from scratch. And instead of frying the egg omelette, that I'm going to steam on the top of the mixing bowl here using the aroma. And also I'm going to show you how to make the Ayam Masak Merah from the cookie dough recipe. I hope you enjoy today's cooking. Let's get started. The ingredients are 300 grams of jasmine rice, 400 grams of coconut milk, 800 grams of water, 1 stalk of lemongrass cut into about 4 cm, 30 grams of turmeric, 70 grams of shallots, 3 slices of blue ginger, 3 pieces of bay leaves, 3 pieces of kaffir lime leaves, and 5 grams of salt. For steamed egg omelette ingredients, 4 pieces of eggs, 1 pinch of salt, and you need aroma tray covered with baking paper. First step to make the Nasi Kuning or the yellow rice rempah, we need to blend the turmeric together with shallots and with salt. 5 grams of salt. Then going to the blend function. We're going to blend the rempah for 30 seconds. And it's done. And see all the rempah blended well. We are going to put the water, the rest of the water. And the coconut milk. Place in the rice. Don't forget to wash clean. To the simmering basket. And we put all the rest of the ingredients like the kaffir lime leaf and lemongrass stalks like this, the bay leaf also, the blue ginger, then now we place the simmering basket inside the mixing bowl. lightly beaten the egg with a pinch of salt, and then we place it, spread widely and evenly on the aroma tray. Normally I pan fried the egg omelette, but today I'm going to cook the egg omelette with the steaming way, so I can save the electricity and in the healthier way. So while cooking the rice inside the mixing bowl, inside the simmering basket, then I cook the egg omelette on the top of the mixing bowl using the aroma tray. While cooking the rice, I'm going to marinate the chicken leg, because later we are going to cook the Ayam Masak Merah. 1 teaspoon of the ground turmeric and a little bit of salt. After mix well, put in the fridge for 30 minutes. Cooking is done. Now we are going to see the rice. Lift up slowly with a spatula. Nicely done. I'm going to transfer this to the thermostat and keep the rice warm for a few hours. Whoa, yellow rice is done. You can see the color, very pretty and very fragrant. If you can see the water after I cook the rice, you can see the starch is little bit thicker, right? The water. Yeah. One of the reasons that I like to cook the rice with Thermomix, because the starch and the sugar from the rice was down to the water, so the taste of the rice will be light and more healthy. Next, I'm going to cook the Ayam Masak Merah. I saved the recipe from cookie dough. We go to the My Recipe, Created Collection. I save under the chicken files. See? Ayam Masak Merah Spicy Tomato Chicken. Then we press. We can find the ingredients all here. Then we start cooking. So no need to worry for the new owner of Thermomix who never have the cooking experience before. With the guided cooking can guide you how to cook step by step. It's very easy, right? The oven to 200 degree. I'm going to use this rack to roast the chicken leg. Now I'm going to show you how deseeding the chili. Maybe most of you don't know that Thermomix can deseeding the chili. I will show you how to do it. But important thing, you must make sure the bowl dry. First, you have to cut the chili about 1 cm. Don't wash the chili first, because you don't want to have a lot of water, and then the chili seed cannot be peeled off. I'm in the middle of opening the recipe. We can do the deseeding first. We go to home, and then we give 15 seconds, reverse, speed 4. Wow, so amazing. The seeds all came out from the chili without chopping the chilies. I'm going to separate the chilies and the seeds through the simmering basket. Now I get the chili without the seeds. We transfer the chicken to the roasting tray. Waiting for the chicken leg roasting in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. I'm going to cook the sauce. Put inside the chili, and then 4 garlic cloves, 80 grams of shallots, 1 stalk of lemongrass, and 2.5 cm piece fresh ginger, and 2.5 cm the blue ginger organic, and 20 grams of water. Blending time for 10 seconds and speed 10. Need to blend for another 10 seconds and speed 10. Second time blending, put in the vegetable oil. I'm using the coconut oil. We are going to cook for 10 minutes and 120 degrees, speed 1.
매력적인 입술 네가 내게 말을 걸 때마다 내 기분은 higher Girl what's your desire 내 심장은 paradise You're beautiful girl can't you see 다들 너를 질투해 걱정 마 girl can't you see 내 눈엔 늘 완벽해 Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah, 못나도 내겐 미워. Yeah, 뭘 해도 내겐 미워. Yeah, I want more money, money, more money. Yeah, I want more money, more money, more money. 못나도 내겐 Today's cookings are done. After
after decorating the rice, the yellow rice with the egg omelette and the ayam masak merah, can put some salad on it. Hope you like it. How's the cooking sharing today? Hope you enjoy it and know how to cook the rice using the Thermomix in the healthier way. Hope you enjoy today's cooking. If you have any question, can leave the comments below. Don't forget to share and like my videos. And see you again next time. Thank you. Bye bye.